Hey guys, if you're watching this video, thanks so much for clicking on it and make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. This is a vlog of me going around IKEA and kind of just looking around. The first thing that I bought were those bowls, and then these spoons were also a pretty good deal. So I picked up some of those as well. And I really like IKEA because you can see like these different kinds of sets, and I don't know why, but I have always just absolutely loved looking at these sets and seeing like kind of how the like aspirational home decor is because let's face it, nobody actually lives like this. And then that is me in the mirror. And yeah, this is just kind of like what the shower looks like, which speaking of that, honestly, I did not know that IKEA sold like a lot of this stuff. They had like basically everything, and I honestly thought that IKEA just kind of sold like furniture, which for the most part they do, but they also have like other things too, which is pretty cool. And then this is like a kitchen set. I was looking for different kinds of like kitchen stuff, really like those bowls, and I picked up a few plates as well. They had like other kinds of bowls, but they were made out of glass, and I was not sure like if that would be the best move because I tend to drop bowls a lot. So the plates were made of like china or whatever IKEA sells as china. And they were 79 cents each, which is pretty good. Then this was the one of their like laundry sets, which was pretty cool. They also sell lint rollers, which I did not know. And those like laundry things, like the containers set they showed, I've always kind of wanted to get one, but I don't know. They also seem kind of like bougie, so I'm not sure if I will get it, but maybe one day. And then this is just kind of like where I saw a dog inside of the IKEA, which that was pretty cute, but I didn't know that they let like non-service animals in there. So that was kind of weird, but it was okay. And yeah, they had a lot of sets up when I went. Like, I guess that's like their whole thing, right? They like show you the aspirational versions of everything just to sell more of their products. But they had a really good deal on like spatulas too. So I also did pick up a spatula, but I don't think that I recorded that. They had this like fake fruit. They were not selling any though, but I would have gotten some if they were. And then they had like these random like food or like other things that weren't necessarily like decor related, which is pretty cool. Have you guys ever tried any of the like food from IKEA? Like that, not from the cafe, but from like these kind of middle of the road displays? Let me know in the comments. And then, yeah, this was actually so cute. I kind of love that, but I didn't end up getting the lion. There were like a bunch of the stuffed animals, and I have actually a vlog from earlier that shows that, but I didn't end up getting it. And then we kind of went to another section. This was like kind of the end of the kitchen section and moving like onwards. I really had no idea that IKEA apparently also sold like gas ranges and like ovens and stuff like that. That was honestly super strange to me. I also saw that they had all of these like measuring tools and stuff. I did actually get some. And then this was like a child's bedroom set in what I'm assuming is New York based off of what the like exterior window shot looks like. These are the cups again. I got six of them for $1.99 each, and they come in a variety of colors. So I've used them. They're microwave safe too, which is actually really good. They also had these cups. I just got the silverware and the bowls. But six bowls for only like $1.99 is like really good. They're dishwasher safe, microwave safe, so excellent. And then they also had pots and pans and stuff. I did end up getting actually a spatula because it was like I think $1 or 79 cents, somewhere in that range, very cheap, and I needed some spatulas too. So IKEA, I wouldn't say is like the cheapest place to shop necessarily, but sometimes you do get some really good deals. So I guess it depends on your luck. It was a pretty like busy day, so there are a lot of people at the IKEA. These were like some of the fancier plates that they had. I chose to go with the 79 cent like plain white china plates or whatever they sell. I don't know if they're actually china. I don't think they are, not for 79 cents. Then I saw this couch. I was going to like potentially get a new couch or something, but honestly, none of this like selection that they had seemed that interesting to me. Which is why we were like in the dining section slash the couch section, or I guess the living room section too. And then I saw that they had like this fancy coffee maker. I don't drink coffee, but I've always loved like the look of those. I think it's like a French press or something. Not sure. These little bowls were so cute, but I don't know what I would use them for, so I didn't get any. And then I live in an apartment, so I didn't think that candles were too safe. I also needed a desk, but these are mostly kitchen tables. I prefer these over like a traditional desk just because they are slightly cheaper and they're multi-purpose as opposed to desk, which has like a lot of drawers and stuff. This was only $100. I'm not sure if it's wood. I doubt for $100 it is in this economy, but it seemed like a pretty good quality, honestly, so not too bad. And then I found this really cute set of like teacups and stuff. Again, it was like I think $23 or something. Not too bad. I'd say that IKEA is a pretty good place to go if you want to like decorate your home. I thought that these cookies were like you could take them and like I don't know, move them around, but they were glued on, so I couldn't. But I thought that that display was so cute. It was like a little kitchen set, and I think these are dog toys, because they were like made of felt and like they had the little dog in the corner there. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more. I post a lot of this content on my channel every single week, so be sure to check that out. Also be sure to subscribe for more. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.